Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download Leonardo AI app in your iPhone. So guys, if you're planning on downloading the Leonardo AI app, you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. Since we're using iPhone, we just need to go ahead and open App Store right here. And once you do so, just look at the lower bar till you find search and tap on search and type in Leonardo AI. And guys, you can find it right on the top, the option that says Leonardo AI image generator. So once you find it, just go ahead and tap on get, verify that it's you, and it'll automatically start downloading your Leonardo AI app. So guys, that's how you download Leonardo AI app in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.